PC health check now. And here are the results. This computer has unsupported hardware but still runs Windows 11. So, how to install Windows 11 on it? No secure boot. No TPM 2.0. The processor does not support Windows 11, only 2 GB of RAM, while Windows 11 requires at least 4 GB. It was manufactured in 2010. I was very young then. With all these strict hardware requirements, it still managed to install Windows 11. Let's get started. Before completing the Windows 11 installation, the computer was running Windows 10. I went to the Microsoft homepage and downloaded the latest installation package. Click Download Windows 11. Select Windows 11 disk image. ISO. Choose Windows 11. Multi-edition for x64 devices. Select language. English. Download. This is a standard installation package. Normally, you'd use a flash drive to create a bootable installer from it, but that method won't work on unsupported hardware like this one, so there's a tool that lets you customize the Windows 11 installer. It's called Rufus. Download the latest version of Rufus. Here are the 2 files you'll need. Follow these steps. Select your flash drive. Browse for the Windows 11 installer you just downloaded. Don't use GPT, use MBR. Older computers use MBR instead of GPT. Here's a list of customizations. The first one is the most important. It allows installation of Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. I enable all of them to simplify the process and skip unnecessary steps. Apply the changes and start creating the bootable installer. There are other methods, but I found this to be the simplest. Once complete, use the bootable flash drive to install Windows 11 on your unsupported computer. Thanks for watching, and good luck. To demonstrate the results, I installed Windows 11 on this old computer. I'll fast forward the steps so you don't have to wait. The OS installation completed successfully with no issues.